So we are back into the next videos. In this video, the statement written here is about array. So this is the second part of the array video. The 2 in the value array is typecasted into a string by JavaScript engine through an implicit type conversion using toString method. If you give a value of string 2, then it will implicitly typecast it and convert it to respective value for an array iterator to iterate over it. So the result of 2 and 0 2, which is an arbitrary string, is not same. So they will yield different values because this 2 is a means this is a correct way of specifying strings in using array. So this is an arbitrary string value. So both the values will be different and the output will be different. Let's see it with an example. I have created an array named value and we have inserted some values inside of it, which is 12, 3, 5 and 1. Starting at 0 index, 12 is at 0, 3 is at 1 and 5 is at 2 and 1 is at 3. So we have 4 values starting from 0 until 3. If you want to take out a value at index 2, then this is a correct form of string specified to the array iterator. So it will iterate over it and it will yield a value of 5 because this is not an arbitrary string value and this is the correct string value. If you look at the other example in which we have specified string of 0 2, this is an arbitrary string value. So the array iterator will not iterate over arbitrary string value, so it will yield a result of undefined. If we compare both of them, so these are not equal, so this will always return true if we compare both of them because their values are not equal. So if we compare both of them, you need to remember that if you compare string 2 with arbitrary string value provided inside the double quote or single quote are not same, so it will console log out a value of true and the else part is never covered because the value inside this if condition always remains true. This is an not equal to operator, so it will compare if value of t is not equal to, because 5 is not equal to undefined, so it will result a console log of true. You can see we get a result of true. So the first statement yields the result of 5 because this is a correct string value and this is not a correct string, it is an arbitrary string value. So the array iterator yields a undefined value for it. So 5 is not equal to undefined, so the if card runs and gives us a result of true and the else part is never covered. So in the next video I'll cover more about it.